Hello dear friends. In this video, we'll be tackling question 5 from the June 2024 Regents examination in Algebra I. Our goal is to determine which of the given sums is irrational. Let's evaluate each expression to determine which sum is irrational. Option 1, -2 times the square root of 12 plus the square root of 100. Simplify the square root of 12. The square root of 12 equals the square root of 4 times 3, which equals 2 times the square root of 3. Simplify the square root of 100. The square root of 100 equals 10. Substitute the simplified values. -2 times 2 times the square root of 3 plus 10 equals -4 times the square root of 3 plus 10. Since -4 times the square root of 3 is an irrational number, and 10 is a rational number, the sum -4 times the square root of 3 plus 10 is irrational. Means, -2 times the square root of 12 plus the square root of 100 is irrational. Option 2, -square root of 4 plus 1/3 times the square root of 900. Simplify the square root of 4. The square root of 4 equals 2. Simplify the square root of 900. The square root of 900 equals 30. Substitute the simplified values. -2 plus 1/3 times 30 equals -2 plus 10 equals 8. The result is 8, a rational number. Option 3, 1/2 times the square root of 25 plus the square root of 64. Simplify the square root of 25. The square root of 25 equals 5. Simplify the square root of 64. The square root of 64 equals 8. Substitute the simplified values. 1/2 times 5 plus 8 equals 2.5 plus 8 equals 10.5. The result is 10.5, a rational number. Option 4, the square root of 49 plus 3 times the square root of 121. Simplify the square root of 49. The square root of 49 equals 7. Simplify the square root of 121. The square root of 121 equals 11. Substitute the simplified values. 7 plus 3 times 11 equals 7 plus 33 equals 40. The result is 40, a rational number. Therefore, the sum that is irrational is Option 1, -2 times the square root of 12 plus the square root of 100. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button. For more updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We'd like to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to leave a comment.